Oh, that was scary, wasn't it? I don't do just one thing, and the cardinal rule seems to be on YouTube that you've got to be an expert in something. I'm an expert in tinkering with things and trying to make things work that one man's broken and I can make work again. But with regards to gardening, I'm a bit of a black finger, but the green finger is the wife. So I'll let her do the gardening, but what I do is build structures and come up with ideas for trying to create space where there isn't any, because this garden is, I'll show you later, but it's very small and it's not going to sustain even just us two. But it's nice to have a go, and Mrs. Woman needs a hobby. So from time to time I'll put stuff up on YouTube if you're interested, and sometimes it'll be gardening, sometimes I'll be repairing something. Like one of the major projects is going to be trying to repair the shed that you see behind me, which is actually a workshop. It was actually bigger than it is now, but over the years bits have fallen off of it. And we did have a really serious rainstorm back along, and the roof caved in and the floor went, and it's all started to lean over, and I've got to do some real serious work. It's nearly 30 years old, so bless it, it needs to have a bit of TLC now. And I'm into all things mechanical. I like bits of science. I love fiddling around with electronics. If I can get something for free, like free energy from solar, from doing, I don't know, making batteries. I've had a go, not very successful so far, but I'm trying to do it on the cheap, and I guess it's not really something you can do, is do it on the cheap. So anyway, watch this space if you're interested. Bye bye.